Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you breed villagers on Minecraft. To breed villagers in Minecraft, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. First of all, you want to find a village in your Minecraft, after which you'll be then taken to the next field. Then you simply want to go ahead and build a structure to breed your village in. This is optional, you could skip this part as well. After which you want to craft at least 3 beds and place them in a village or structure them as well. Once you've actually completed the steps, get at least 2 villagers close together. After which, what next you have to do is gather food for the villagers as well. You could use it so, and once you've actually done it so, you want to then give food to our villagers, and after which trade with the villagers. That is optional, but you could do this as well. And once you've actually done it so, wait for the villagers to breed it, and you could then after you've actually done it so, you should be able to breed villagers in your Minecraft. So this is strict, you could follow it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.